Health officials say lab tests confirmed that a Broward County woman caught dengue fever during a trip to Key West. The 51-year-old says she started feeling sick soon after she arrived back home. If scientists manage to come up with a vaccine for dengue, it may very well come from a lab right here in our area. Treasure Coast Bureau Chief Brian Garner shows us why.
At the Port St. Lucie laboratory of VGTI, scientists hope to unravel the mysteries surrounding dengue fever, what brought the disease to South Florida for the first time in decades, and how best to fight it.
It's a virus similar to hepatitis virus, to yellow fever virus.
Dr. Rafiq Sakali heads up the lab's research into dengue. It is transmitted by the Aedes aegypti mosquito. He says the virus is most common in South and Central America and in Southeast Asia, where mosquito populations run high.
We kind of expected that virus was going to move up north, and that's exactly what's happening.
Scientists speculate climate change has caused mosquito populations to move and the disease to spread. This year, infection rates in the Caribbean have nearly doubled, with 3 deaths reported in French Guiana. The outbreak in the Florida Keys, though widespread, has not been as severe.
Because their immune system is able to control it. So that's a very good thing.
Sakali wants to know what leads some people to die from dengue and others to resist it, and why people who contract dengue for a second time often have a much more severe case. He plans to study the immune response to the virus in hopes of developing a vaccine.
We're just getting started, but I think through all the work that we've done with other viruses like HIV, I think we're in a very good position to initially help.
He expects the dengue epidemic will become more intense as it moves farther north. He says good surveillance from health departments can help contain the disease, as we saw with the outbreak of H1N1 last year.
Dr. Sakali expects his lab will start testing samples of infections from Florida and Guyana within the next 4 to 6 weeks. He's optimistic they can develop a vaccine within 2 years. Reporting from Port St. Lucie, I'm Brian Garner, WPTV News Channel 5.